Welcome to University Dating homepage. This website enables you to attend and explore a variety of events among universities, as well as giving yourself opportunities to create your own events. To start with, it is necessary to have an account, and if you haven't had one, just click the register. Here you would see this page enable you to enter your personal details in. For real name, here I use Bob as an example. For username, I use Bob as well, and you would see here it shows pass, which means this username is available. And for the password, it says 6 to 18 digits arbitrary numbers or letters, which means it has to be in a fixed range. Here, if I use 1, 2, 3, which is not fit in the range, it will shows you any numerical alphabet with 6 to 18 digits, which means you have to enter something more. So here I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it shows you pass. To verify the password, you have to enter something exactly the same as the password you've just entered. Like say if I enter something different, like say 1, 2, 3, it will shows that the two password input is inconsistent. Unless I put something exactly the same, it will not let you pass. Now I've finished all these sections, and for the genders, if you're male, please choose M, and if you're female, please do choose female as well. Just depends on your gender. For the address, basically it's where you live. So for example, London, I'm here, just type in London. And for the phone numbers, here is a format detector, which you have to enter in the right format, otherwise it will detect that the number is not in the right format. So let's see, if I enter something randomly, which shows you that the phone number is not in the right format, you have to enter something seriously right, like say 07566669999, something like this, and it'll show you pass. It's exactly the same things happens to the email. There's definitely a detectors detecting if the emails are in the right format or not. Well, let's just type in something, well, exactly, not in the right format. It will tell you that incorrect format. But if I enter something like say gmail.com, well, it tells you pass. For the university and subjects, basically it's where your school is and what your course is. So here I use University of London, and for subjects basically type in engineering. And for birthdays, there's a small downward triangles that would help you to open the tools, which you can select a specific date or month in a very quick way. And if you want to adjust them, just use these two small triangles to adjust them really quickly. Now you're able to register your account. Once you've finished all of these things, just click register, otherwise click reset to start from zero. Okay, here I click register, it tells you register was successful. Then it guides you to the login page, and in this login page you would see here are three small icons which are in different colors, which allows you to change your background profiles to make yourself a personal background in a color which you like. So I just type in the account I just registered, which the username is Bob, and the password is 123456. And for here you would see you have to enter your verified code, which is allowed us to improve the security. So here, if you cannot see it correctly, just click the pictures and it will change the pictures. So for this one is 5392, and if you click login, it will says you login successful. Now it guides you to the main page. Okay, so for the main page, remember every time you could click this icons on the left top bit to bring yourself back to the main page. Like say, it doesn't matter, I just click here and it guides you back to the main page. For the incoming events, there are basically all the events that are incoming in the future, and if you are interested in anyone, just click them in and you see all the informations that you need here: activity type, the name and the pictures, the title, the start time and the end time, where the place is taking place, and all the description. And if you wish, you could sign up at any time you want. Just click the sign up button and you're ready to sign up. For these bits are basically all the feedbacks that collected from our users, and you can see here the titles, the score, which is the rating, and the content, which is the comments. For users, there are two sections, which the first one is essential information. For the basic information, you would see your name, your university, your phone number, your email address, basically whatever you provided at the very beginning. And if you want to change your personal profile, just click upload any pictures that you like, right? And if you click add, it tells you success, then your personal profile is changed and successfully saved. If you want to change your password, just click update password. You will see here you have to enter your old password, which is 1235456, and for new password, well, I don't know, 654321. Yeah, okay, 654321. Well, it tells you successful, it passed, and just add, and it says success, then your password has been changed. For the detailed information here, basically is your details information that you can click edit to change anything except your real name and gender. So if you click edit, everything is updated. Remember here the same detector is working, like say for the email address, if I type in something not in the right format, and if you click edit, it will say the email format is wrong. Well, exactly the same things happen to the phone number. If I put the email in the right format and change my phone number into a wrong format, it will says the mobile phone format is wrong. So I have to enter something in the right format, so well, it doesn't matter, use this one, okay? So yeah, and all of these, like usernames, universities and address, you can change them many times you want. So just basically click edit. Well, it tells you success. In the activity, you can see activity list. Here is basically all the activity that we have at the moment, and if you click next page, you can scroll down to see all the events that we have at the moment. If you want to create your own event, just click add activities and choose activity type, like say outdoor activities or campus activity. You know, the name doesn't matter, meeting, okay? So picture, if you want to upload a picture, I don't know, okay? Activity title, okay, good. Start time, well, it doesn't matter, and the end time, okay. Place, like say UCL, the tick number, which sells 100 of tickets, description, go. Well, yeah, then add. So well, you have to enter your times. Then you click add. Well, that's success. So your event's being created successfully, right? So anytime if you want to research search for an event, you can search by the type or by exact date from the starting till the end date, specific range times that you can search all of these events. Like say here I search for outdoor activities, I would find, you see, outdoor activities, all of these are selected. And if I choose campus party, well, yeah, you can see the one I just registered is shown up. Remember here the surplus, which means is the ticket remain. So here you can see I have 100 ticket and still 100 ticket remaining, which means not anyone has been sold. So still I have full ticket. And the status, which means how the event is going on. Is it beginning or not, or is it in the past, or it is already finished. For the operation, which means you can sign up, yeah, but I mean you cannot sign up for your own event. You cannot sign up for your own event. If you want to sign up for others event, just click to sign up, and it will sign you. It will tell you repeat sign because you have signed it already before. So for my hosting activities, you can see here this one showed up, just the one that I just created. So here I can have some operations, so I can edit my event, edit the description anytime I like, yeah, or the time, the end time, anything. If I want to refresh, just click the refresh, and sometimes it takes some time to go. For the attended activities, which means the activity that I've already signed up, the ones that I sign up there, which says repeated sign, which is this one. I've signed already, so it pops up in my attended activities, and you would see here is being audited, which means you have to have the authorized by the hoster to get into the events. And the operations here, you could actually send your feedback, like say your ratings, how you would say these events were. You think you can rate it 3 stars or 5 stars, and you can type anything you want here to rate the event. Okay, so for the registration, here is the sign list. If anyone signed for your activities, it will show up here, and you have to authorize it to allow him to attend. Otherwise, no one have the access to attend the activities, which improves the securities. Only the ones that you permitted have the access to your activities, and you can download the sign list anytime you want to an Excel. Well, here you can see these are the previous datas, but yeah, anytime if you refresh and you want to download anything that's already signed up, you can use this download bit. So for the feedback, here are basically the feedbacks that posted by users, exactly the same as the main page, these two, right? So here you could delete them, or you can view them anytime you want. So if you want to log out, just move your mouse to the right top bit, and here's a log out, and if you click log out, it says you log out successfully, and it brings back you to the main page. Yeah, so that's basically how our website is looking like. If you do have any problems or questions, please do not feel hesitations to contact us. And again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.